Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enter the recovery menu on this watch. So let's get started. And entering recovery menu on this watch is a bit tricky because we need to press and hold the buttons, the home button and back button together, keep holding them until the watch turns off. Then we need to release them, press and hold them again, and we need to keep doing that until you see the rebooting message on the screen. And once you see the rebooting message, you need to start pressing the home button repeatedly to enter the reboot mode, and then we can continue. That's why I said it's a bit tricky, because there's a lot of steps for it. Anyway, first we need to press and hold the both buttons and keep holding them until the watch turns off. It takes about 5-10 seconds. And after the watch turns off, you can release the buttons. So we can do it right now. And after that, you will need to press and hold the buttons again, even though we already did that. And sometimes you will need to do it more than once. You will need to do it until you see the rebooting message on the screen. So let's keep holding them. If nothing happens, release the buttons and then press and hold them again. And at some point, like I said before, you will see rebooting message on the screen. And then you can start pressing the home button. And after a few presses, the watch should boot into reboot mode. And here we can use the lower button to scroll down, like this. Select the recovery boot, and then press and hold the home button to enter. And here we have it. We are in the recovery menu now. And right here we have only actually one option, wipe data / factory reset, and then we have reboot system now, so it reboots the watch to normally to the system, and then power off, which turns off the watch. And to move through this menu, you use the lower button to scroll down, like that, and to confirm the selections, you press the home button, of course. So I'm gonna select the reboot system now, press the home button, and the watch will reboot. And basically that's how you enter the recovery menu on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.